Hey Charleston class, how are you? My name is Carlos, I came from Peru, and I'm here to share with you how to prepare one of my favorite dishes. The name is ceviche. Please join me to prepare some ceviche. Well, to be true, really, yesterday I have a very hard time trying to get all the ingredients, but finally I did it. Ceviche is one of our most representative dishes in our Peruvian food, and it's very easy to do. The ingredients are white fish. I prefer to use flounder, sweet potato, boiled and unboiled corn and sweet potato, pink onions, limes, and seasonings, salt and pepper. Well, the way to prepare ceviche is mixing the lime, the lime juice with the fish, the onion, and the seasoning, and then add a little bit of salt. Really depending on how you like the food. I don't like too much salt. Just mix it up and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Why? Because we need the lime juice to marinate the fish and the onions, and it's really nice. Also, if you like, I added to this dish, you can use small pieces of octopus, and it's very nice. Really, if you like sushi, you will like ceviche. Well, it's already mixed. The only thing how to prepare the dish is to use the corn and the sweet potato as shown, with some lettuce in the bottom. You just add the mix and that's it. Enjoy the ceviche. It's nice to meet you. Really visit Peru. I am glad to take you to eat and have fun in Peru. And thank you. Bye bye.